I wouldn't expect you to be super interested in it just because, I mean, we're just doing, you know, a little bit of bug stuff. But main concern for me is just the ants in the driveway.
Okay. Yeah.
Look, hey, dude, if it weren't for the ants, I'd be like out of here. But I'll tell you what, man, if you'd be willing to give me a shot, I'll go ahead and take. Okay.
Good for now.
Dude, you're the man.
I'll give you a call.
God bless.
Right.
Your name was?
All right, let it be known right now. He's gonna buy a Corvette. He doesn't
No.
know it yet.
Dude, I'm not buying a Corvette.
That's a quitter mindset.
Mason doesn't quit. Come on, brother.
You don't want it.
I don't want a Corvette right now. I don't even have the room to put it. No, I don't need it because then I have to get rid of my Cybertruck.
You got a big lawn. You can get two.
I don't want
You have a
it.
new house. Here soon.
I don't really need it.
You're gonna have so much money. You're like, wow, I actually want to move now.
I might.
Maybe I'll just build an
Maybe at my new house I'll buy it. But why would I get a Corvette when I could get like a freaking Lambo?
Because it's a Corvette.
Yeah, what?
Yo, the Corvettes are faster than the Lambos now.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
A few minutes later.
But yeah, I do like Corvettes. But I don't, it's not the time. When I move, if I buy a house in Arizona, I might do it. Yeah, or buy a house in Utah, maybe I'll pick up a Corvette. Have the BBC in Georgia, and then have the Corvette in somewhere else. See, I'm coming around, you're at me sold. I do like Corvettes. I do like Corvettes though. What up, guys? Hopefully, if you've been following my page, you know that the Corvettes and all the fancy cars, that's not what it's all about. But in order to ever get in a position where you can afford this type of stuff, you need to invest in yourself. Dude, look at this. Doing stem cells over here at Limitless. Wild. But if you want to be able to increase your income, make sure that you hop on my training course where I show you how to do everything. Look at this big fat needle. I overcame my fear of needles. I'm not a weenie. This is the wildest call to action in the world. Just buy my training course. Stop guessing how to sell and just learn how to sell. Back to the video. Howdy, how y'all doing today?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. I know you're wondering, why are all these people at my door? So we're doing training today. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And your name is?
My name is Mel.
Mel, I like your hair a lot.
Thank you.
So Mel, we want to get something put in place for you. The truck's coming here tomorrow. If we can get you looped in, we're doing it for over half off. I know there's.
What is it?
Yeah. Are you more of a numbers person?
I am totally a numbers person.
What do you do for work then?
I do customer service.
You know how this goes.
I do.
I can give you the bullet point version of the spiel. That way I'm not just throwing a random number at you.
Okay.
I won't do the full sales pitch.
Okay.
And then how it works and what I can do, and then I'll hit you with the numbers. And if you like it, we do it. If you don't, we don't.
Okay,
Okay.
cool.
But
Yeah.
how many cats did you say you had?
We've got 3 cats right now.
Oh boy,
Soon to be
that's
4.
that's awesome. Well, you definitely have a good little crew for the mice in there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
I think we found one mouse one time and the cat was chasing it and
Oh,
getting
boy.
it, and that's been the
Yeah,
extent of
that's
it.
why I didn't charge you for the rodents either. Because I'm like, you
Yeah.
got a crew right now. But
Yeah.
for the ants, the spiders, and then the box elders, all that stuff, I'll get it covered. But basically the way it works, Mel, we always will call you guys before we come out.
Okay.
I'd probably call you instead of Mom, but that way you know a
Yeah.
truck's in the way. What's a good number for you, Mel?
269.
How do I spell your last name, Mel? Email address is at Hotmail. You said you do customer service?
Yep, I work for Whirlpool. I'm one of those
Oh,
supervisors
cool.
that you call to cuss out, but yeah.
I don't cuss you out.
No, but that's what a lot of people do.
How do you diffuse that? That's it, because we're in sales, right? We get cussed out.
Yeah, so the
How do you
biggest
do
thing is to say, I understand exactly what you're explaining to me. I understand your frustration. I understand what you're talking to me about your appliances.
Don't be texting me again, okay?
Have you ever diffused something and then they just broke down and apologized afterwards?
Oh, a lot of times.
All the time.
A lot of times, yeah.
It's pretty crazy because I think what happens a lot of times is people just have got stuff going on in their life. You're
Yeah.
the first person they let it out on. We've had that happen on the doors.
We don't want no more. I hate bills. I'm sick of it. I want to be a kid again. I don't want no more bills.
She a firecracker, man.
Yeah.
People just,
And once you humanize yourself
Mm-hmm.
and they realize I'm talking to a live person, I'm not just talking to the company, then they realize, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to treat you like that. You know, I apologize. What can we do?
you're soliciting? And we'll get you set up for tomorrow. So it'll be the one.
I can't guarantee that because I have to ask my husband because he's the one who takes care of all of the bills.
The ant mounds, they've been bad in the driveway and then they make their way inside, Mel. How big's the backyard more or less?
It's about a half an acre.
Can I check it out and see if I can try it?
Yeah, so
Okay.
you can go right down.
Do you want? I can meet you back there just to kind of see what we can do. Oh, there's a patio back here. Mel, this is pretty cool. I didn't know you guys had a pool back here. I was gonna say, what happened to the liner?
So we had a crazy windstorm here. about, what, mid-May?
I really feel like he'll say yes. We get you on the route, we schedule it for tomorrow.
Okay.
You have, because what happens with my routes, Mel, is I book them out.
Okay.
And then when they're full, they're full, and we really struggle with like swinging discounts.
Yeah.
But the reason there's a little bit more urgency, don't mistake in like my passion for pressure.
Yeah.
I just love what I do. Is I have to fill those. I won't obligate you to.
I'm very sorry, I can't do that because of the agreement that he and I have made on bills and everything else like that. So
Well, shoot.
I'm very sorry.
No,
I'm so sorry.
you're fine. I feel like we were this close.
I know, because I really want to say yes, and I think that he would, but I can't.
So like you're pretty much 99% there.
I would say I'm like 90% there because I
Okay,
have to
the
have
10%'s the okay.
Yeah, the 10% would be him saying yes.
And you don't got to be nice to me because you're in customer service. I mean, you know this. What are the chances you tell him, I want to do this, let's do it? On a scale from 1 to 10, 1 is it's probably not going to happen. 10 is you'll probably get a text message back from me in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, so I want to say yes. I really do. I genuinely do.
Okay.
Like he said with the red mites, they drive us insane.
Okay.
With the ants,
You
they drive us
found the red
insane.
mites?
Oh, we have tons of them all over.
Look at this, man. I just saw like billion of them right here.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is not like one or
Oh yeah.
two. Look at this.
I mean, do you think he'd be mad at you for just this one thing?
Yeah,
Do you
he
think
would.
he'd actually be mad?
Yeah, because I've tried to make these types of decisions without him looking at numbers and stuff like that before, and yeah, it doesn't get pretty.
Hear back from him. Where are we at?
I would say I'm totally around an 8.5.
Oh man, that's close.
Yes, because I really want to get rid of all these mites. We do get ants in the spring and in the fall.
Okay.
Inside of the house because I know that we have them everywhere there's rocks.
Okay.
We have ants.
Just go out and do
So-
it, you know.
I can't. I can't. I know that, like you were saying, our Xfinity internet here for her just went up from like $90 to $148.
Yeah.
And I don't know what other bills have gone up.
If you're in an 8.5 and 9, you think that if you did it, and then you just said, "Hey, I want to do this," he'd say yes. You say, "Okay."
We just don't do that.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, will you?
If it was just one household, I would totally just say yes, let's do it. But we do deal with 2 households. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
I promise, as soon as I hear from him, I will text you guys.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, it's okay, bro. That's the best thing I ever seen in my life. It's the best thing I ever seen in my life. Let's go home.
Got a couple more, bro. So here's the thing: is I always do shadows like that, and I'm like, if that would have been a deal, it'd be like, oh, that was the best shadow ever for me. And I'm like, dang it. Like I like to have deals, so I'm just gonna keep knocking. And so.
No, that's the best thing, bro.
But you guys see how we went to the backyard? Dude, I had to
3 phone calls, not 1 phone call.
call him again, call him again, call him again, call him
3
again.
phone calls. Holy jeez, I have made only one time to make phone calls.
So you learned something there.
Whew.
These guys are training today. I know you're like, what's
Chair,
going on?
What?
Oh yeah, take a chair, guys.
No, we're actually leaving.
Oh, okay. Did you tell us to take a chair? I'm so confused.
I don't understand.
Take care of what?
Oh, I
I
thought you
said
said,
take care of
I thought you
what?
pointed to them and said, take a chair. And I'm like,
Sit down, go
I
ahead.
said, you're very welcoming. Oh my goodness. Like, you don't even know who we are.
It's
Take a
hot
seat.
out here. It's pretty
Okay.
hot out here.
So I was like, wait, you're
We-
telling us to take a
Is it
seat?
pest control?
Yes, yes,
we
yes.
actually have somebody that does that for us.
Who does it?
A private person, but we're satisfied. But
Gotcha.
we're actually getting ready to leave.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Thanks for
talk to
stopping,
the
though.
chaplains if you need anything, okay?
Okay.
We hit an entire street. I told these guys, we need to hit like 2 more doors before we call it a day. So we've got these 2 houses right here. We drove over here. It was a 100-yard drive. We did not walk it because we don't have a Segway right now. But we're going to go give this a shot. I think we're going to get a deal. And I think that Mel chick is going to text me back and tell her yes. I've never pushed that hard and had a lady say, yeah, I want to do it, and then not do it. So that's why I was like, I felt a little bit defeated. But guys, in door-to-door sales, that'll happen sometimes where you're like, dude, like everything makes sense. Why are they not buying? And sometimes they just don't fall in your favor, and that's okay. Don't take it personally. Keep knocking. Do 1 more. This is how money works, okay? If you're a crappy buyer, then you're going to be a crappy seller. So if you guys suck at buying stuff, you're going to suck at selling because you don't believe in transacting with people. but it's like this universal law is if you don't give, you don't get. So if you want to get, you got to give. Buy my course. No, I just have learned it a little bit over time recently, man. Howdy, how y'all doing today? Good to meet you, man. I like your shirt a lot, man. Appreciate it.
How's it going?
Doing well. Name's Austin.
Austin,
I'm the bug man. You the boss man here?
Yeah.
Good to meet you. So these guys, we do the bugs, by the way. These
Okay.
guys are all new. But your name, sir?
Alex?
Alex, pleasure. So I'm Austin. I won't ask again. I'll get it locked in.
I honestly, I don't really do much.
Okay.
This year, it's been remodel.
Yeah, I mean, when it comes to the pest control for you, like, there's probably no major issues. Am I right?
Just spiders.
Okay. For you, like, if we're only dealing with a spider issue, you don't need to go like full-blown extermination package.
Okay.
The thing is, Alex, if left untreated, the spiders get bad, and then you're dealing with like, hey, like we need a service. You obviously pay more. So when I work with individuals like yourself, I just do it really affordable. That way, it doesn't feel like a big decision, and we're able to get it knocked out.
Okay.
What do you do for work?
I'm a technician.
Cool, dude. What do you do?
I'm the shop foreman at Mercedes.
Oh, dude, that's great. Dude, beautiful cars.
Thank you. Yeah.
Love it. What's a good number for you, brother?
574.
574. Alex, Alex.
Yep.
Okay, cool, man. I wasn't good at spelling, but I did all right with this. Last name, brother, how do I spell it? What's a good email for you, my friend? If you see anything in between, let me know.
Yep.
We have this money-back guarantee where if you're still seeing stuff in between and we cannot get rid of it, then there's a money-back guarantee on that service, okay? And then I'll have this all emailed over to you. The dogs, you said there's 2?
There's 4.
Okay, sorry, I counted 2 barks. Basically, like I said earlier, safe for the dog. Just make sure they're put up for about 45 minutes. All I have you do is just sign right there saying I went over that with you in that white box.
And now, is this saying that I am agreeing to pay this now?
Well, you'll pay tomorrow for the $199, correct?
Okay. Before I do this, I do want to talk to the missus as well.
Ben, because he's the one who takes care of all of the bills.
Please don't say that.
I mean, you didn't expect me to come by today, so I totally hear you. What's your wife do for work?
She's in the same field as I am,
Oh,
but
cool.
she's a writer instead of...
You're gonna be anytime tomorrow. So like, we have a lot of appointments. We'll come by tomorrow before like 8 o'clock, okay?
Build motorcycles.
Dude, we got a guy on the team that I swear the only reason he does sales is because he's just gonna save up and blow all his money on a motorcycle, man.
It's a bad investment.
I'll tell him that you said that. I'll shoot you a selfie, that way you remember me. 1, 2, 3.
But I want to get a muscle like you, brother.
Then you need to come work out at the gym. Dude, you're gonna be famous from this YouTube episode. Dude, the whole wide world will know you, man.
Dude, I love you, brother. Dude, we are going to India for sure.
We are going to India.
Dude, come with us. Come with us. We can't sell pest control over there, though. They don't even care. A king cobra comes in, you know.